Hi everybody, for this look I'm going to go ahead and start with the purple instead of green look from the Wet n Wild palettes. I'm going to go ahead and start off with a primer and then NYX in Milk and put that all over the eye to help the colors pop even more. I'm going to start with the lighter shade from the 3-color palette, and I'm going to put that on the mobile part of the lid and intensify it, make it as purple as you want or as faint as you want. Then I'm going to take the color on the bottom, the matte shade, and I'm going to put that through the crease instead of using the darker color through the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that through the crease. I'm going to use this e.l.f. eyeliner in black, and I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline on the bottom and tight line on the top, and I'm just so used to it that it doesn't, you know, I could just do it really easily. But then I'm going to go ahead and take an angled brush and the darkest color in the palette, and I'm going to use that shadow as a line. And what I'm going to do is first push it really close to the lash line, and there might be a little bit of fallout like I saw coming out, but I'm going to flick it out. I'm going to make a line, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. So layer as you will, blend it out, and intensify it to how you want. So that's what I'm using instead of my typical liquid liner. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the shadow again and blend the outer line out into the crease to just even everything out. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this white eyeshadow that I totally always reach for, and I'm going to use it as a brow bone highlight and to help blend in the purple to fade out perfectly. It's just something I always go for is a white eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean out all the fallout with my foundation brush that I used. Go ahead and curl your lashes. These are just Revlon eyelash curlers, which work perfectly well. And this Maybelline mascara that I've been actually really loving and been wearing for like the past 5 days. I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Then, for better lighting, I went into the restroom and was like, wow, this is like 1,000 times better. So I went put concealer all over my face, and now I'm going to go ahead and put the concealer under my eyes. And as you can tell, I needed my glasses on because I'm completely blind. So I'm going to go ahead and put that underneath my eyes. It's the Maybelline. It's in the fairest shade concealer. And I only use it for under eyes and down middle of my nose. Conceal, blend out the line. Then I'm going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I'm going to lightly press that all over my face, just to, because I get oily, I have a very oily skin, so this just really sets everything nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and powder my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm using. So these are the colors that I'm using from the palette. The darkest shade again for the liner, the eyelid shade through the crease, and a mix of the crease and eyelid color for underneath the eye, and the brow bone color as the wash over the mobile part of the lid. Then I'm going to take this, I think this also is Wet n Wild, and it's a matte bronzer, and I just use that to lightly contour my face. And then this is a blush that's a mauvey rose tone color that I love from e.l.f. And I just lightly put that so you can even barely see it because I don't want the colors competing with the bright color on my eyes. So that's kind of the final look without my lips done. And then I'm going to use this OCC lip tar, and you could go for something completely different if you want. I just love this OCC lip tar so much, and I'm a huge fan, so that's why I used it. But yeah, that's what I went ahead and put on my lips. So this is kind of the final look after everything is put on and completed. And yeah, this is just a close-up of the eye look, and thank you guys for watching, and look forward to the next one. Bye! Hi everybody, so I'm working against a lot of like dim lighting. It's overcast, it's raining, it's thundering here, but I wanted to film the video, and I'm going to start off with the purple palette. I know I said the green, but I'm going to start off with the purple one. This is a palette from Wet n Wild that I used for this look. It's called Zero Dark Flirty, and for the shades I used this all over the lid. I used a primer, then the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I used this along the lash line like a liner and blended it out, and I used this through the crease and a mix of these two underneath my eyes. So I hope you guys like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for another one from these Tough Girl Army Wet n Wild palettes. Bye!